We are going to Great Wolf Lodge. We are here at the Great Wolf Lodge. We have 2 rooms.
Jump more, let's jump!
Oh my god! You're really having a good time. Happy birthday! What's up, you guys? So today we are going for another vacation. We're going for a staycation in time for Lance's birthday. Lance's birthday on February 1. We actually just got back here from the Philippines 2 days ago, and now we need to plan for a trip. It's just because he wanted to have his birthday. However, we're not too ready. We're not prepared. We just got back from a long trip. So he said that he wanted to stay in a hotel, and as always, yesterday we went to the same hotel. He really likes this hotel because there's an indoor water park, so we decided to go to Great Wolf Lodge, which is really good for the kids. So entire family backing up because we are going to Great Wolf Lodge for Lance's birthday. Let's go. Big car is here. Hi, birthday boy. This is how you check in Great Wolf Lodge. You put your QR code. We're going to give you your room, and also we're going to be printing your wristbands. For check-in. Let's go.
Open your room first, it's a surprise for you.
Okay.
Let's open.
Oh, wow.
Happy birthday, Lance.
We are here at the Great Wolf Lodge. We are checking in here for Lance's birthday. As of right now, we're just looking for a room number. Let's go. Your wristband also serves as your room key. And this is our room. We have 2 rooms, huge ones. What do you want to eat, birthday boy?
Pepperoni pizza?
Is that your favorite?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh.
Open.
Oh, wow.
Oh my god.
Oh, wow. And this is the indoor. You have the giant slides right there. This is the Great Wolf Lodge. It's here in the US, it's very simple. If you have a birthday, all they want is just a pizza, and that's it. We're here at the Great Wolf Lodge. Look at this one. That's the swimming pool for the kids. That's why Lance really loved to come here. The water park right there. Once you get out from the water park, it's like a party here. And they have the sweet treats right there where we can get our cake for Lance. It's the birthday cake from Great Wolf. Bowling. Look at that. And now we are going back to our room. This is for Lance's birthday tomorrow. Unfortunately, this kid already opened one of the gifts. So tomorrow's birthday surprise. So let's go grab that cake. This is Lance's birthday cake for tomorrow. So we're going to surprise him tomorrow. Let's go. Time to play the game. They're really having a good time. Apple siya?
Press the start, Lance. Jump more, Lance. Jump more. Lance, you need to jump more because your ball is not moving.
See, more faster. Very good, see. Very good, keep jumping. Hello, Shot. Hi, Shot. How was it?
Good.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you have fun? Oh my god! Are you okay? Go! I did not vlog too much because I'm still having a jet lag, so now I'm super sleepy. Good night, see you tomorrow. We're going to surprise Lance tomorrow when he wakes up. See you. We're going to surprise Lance. We have the cake right here. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lancy. Happy birthday to you. Lance, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Blow it! Very good. How old are you now? 5. Finally. We're going to have lunch here at the Korean barbecue. Oh, Nico. They have a robot that will deliver your orders. So what you're going to do is you order from here, and then that robot will deliver your food. Now we have the meat. And the rule is, for every 3 minutes, you can order 10 orders. 4 max for the meat, but again, it's only 10 orders every 3 minutes. Wow!
Lance. Yeah.
Alright, everyone, it's Lance's birthday today! Hey, I got the except for the class! 1, 2, 3! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, dear Lance.
Blow your candle! Lots of food. Time to go home, checking out, because tomorrow is Monday. So we're going home early.